अस्सलाम गाइस, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ सब दोस्त वेल एंड गुड होंगे। अच्छा जी, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दुनिया की नंबर 1 खूबसूरत यानी कि प्लेस, खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग में आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूँ। दी म्यूज़ियम ऑफ द फ्यूचर दिखाने जा रहा हूँ, जो दुनिया की नंबर 1 खूबसूरत प्लेस है। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोगों के साथ भी शेयर कर दूँ। तो वीडियो इनके बहुत ही ख़ास है। आइए वीडियो की तरफ चलते हैं। बहुत ही आपको इंटरेस्टिंग, इंशाल्लाह आपको मज़ा आएगा वीडियो देखकर।
Guys, I am now on top of the most beautiful building in the world. It looks something like this. It took 6 years to build and millions of dollars. And no one knows what's hiding inside until today. So, what is this? What is written all over it? And why is there a space station and a rainforest inside? Trust me, this is a video you don't want to miss.
देखते रहिए गाइस वीडियो को लास्ट तक, इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा।
This is Museum of the Future in Dubai, the Emirates. This building is unique because it looks like a human eye, an eye looking at the future. And because it's round, there is not a single corner in this building and no columns. 7 floors, 0 corners, 0 columns. This is an engineering marvel! The outside is made of 1024 panels exactly, representing the 1024 bytes in 1 kilobyte. And each panel is covered with Arabic quotes. It's the only building in the world covered with a language, and it's beautiful. But what is hiding inside of it? Well, let me show you. This is a living museum, which means everything inside of it is from the present and the future, not the past. Even the elevator is designed like a spaceship. It goes all the way up. You feel like you're in space, about to connect to the International Space Station.
गाइस बताता चलूँ, ये म्यूज़ियम ऑफ द फ्यूचर है। ये यानी कि दुबई के अंदर है। ये दुनिया की मोस्ट खूबसूरत यानी कि ये बिल्डिंग है। इसका नाम है म्यूजियम ऑफ द फ्यूचर।
On the 5th floor, there's an actual NASA-approved design of a space station. It's an interactive walk through space that shows you our solar system, our International Space Station, and what it means to become a multi-planetary species. I don't think I'll ever make it to space, but this is as close as it gets to feeling like you're actually in space. On the 4th floor, there is an actual buildup of a rainforest. With over 2,400 species to remind us that in the future we have to take care of nature and live with it. These are like 2,400 species. Some of them survived and some of them did not survive. But just walking through this is like a surreal experience. On the 2nd floor, there is a space dedicated to the craziest ideas, from flying drones to self-driving cars and robotic dogs. They're all hiding here. Okay, I know everybody likes dogs, but check out this dog. It is a cyber dog. This is like completely mechanical. It can talk to you. It can do complicated stuff. And it's probably just as loyal as your real dog. And on the bottom floor, there is a full science park for future generations, kids, to help them appreciate physics, science, and math. This museum is not just a building, it's actually an investment fund, a university, and a lab at the same time. It is where young people like me and you can finally get support. Talented people will get funding here to pursue their craziest ideas in math, science, physics, and tech. This museum will find and fund them with millions of dollars.
We are just bringing back the glory of the past and making this the center of that ideation to bring up new professors, new scholars, new ideas, and bright future.
See, the future is not about buildings. The future is about science, technology, climate, nature. It is about supporting humans with great ideas. It is about taking care of our planet. And most importantly, it's about leaving a better world for our kids.
मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ गाइस आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। तो अगर वीडियो को अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को या लाइक कर दें, चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दें। अगर इस तरह की वीडियो इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो को चाहते हैं, देखना चाहते हैं ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस इन द वर्ल्ड, तो हमारे पाक रिएक्शन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाना और वीडियो को भी लाइक करके जाना और ऑल बेल के आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि हमारी आने वाली अपडेट आप तक बआसानी पहुँच सके।